Feeling cold this winter? Let's discover the top foods that keep you warm and healthy. Hot meals like soups and porridge not only warm your body, but also give energy and comfort.
Protein-rich foods help your body stay strong and energized during cold weather.
A handful of nuts or dried fruits provides healthy fats and keeps you warm.
Natural ingredients like ginger and turmeric help improve immunity and generate warmth.
Citrus fruits protect you from winter colds and flu.
Hot drinks are perfect to warm up quickly and relax in winter.
Stay warm, eat fresh foods, and enjoy these winter delights for a healthy season.
Like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips.